Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today y'all know I'm hitting you all with another video, and this one is going to be another early unboxing. I've been doing a lot of early sneaker unboxings lately, and I just got these ones in the mail yesterday, so I'm doing the video today. Obviously I had the early unboxing yesterday for the Fire Red 4s, but I really wanted to get into this one immediately, so two back to back. I'll have another one coming soon, hopefully, but this one is for the Nike Dunk Low VENEER. I think that's how you pronounce it, or like VENEER, like you separate it like that. I don't know. The southern accent kind of comes in when I try and pronounce it, so hopefully I don't mess up the name too much, but you're just gonna have to kind of deal with it, so hopefully you can. And that's all I gotta say. Really, it's not that big of a deal. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If you want more early unboxing content like this, just let me know by subscribing down below, and also drop a like in this video too. Just kind of doing both those things, like show me that you want more content like this. So like if this video hits like let's say like 200 likes, then I'll definitely try and hit y'all with another. So let's see if we can actually do that. Like, I'd like to see everybody hit the like, so that'd go a long way. Thank you all. And yeah, if you also want to, go check out my Instagrams down below. I'd appreciate the follow there. My Instagrams are right in the description right there by my Discord too, so if you want to go join the Discord too, you know, we talk and all that and like chat there about shoes and all that. So if you're interested in that, go ahead. But yeah, that's all down there. That's really everything I have to say about that, so I hope you guys will enjoy. And let's get into reviewing these dunks right now. Okay, so first things first, want to give a huge shout out to this guy right here for selling me this pair. You know, he just hit me up and he's legit, so thank you. You know, if you guys, you know, if he hits early access or other stuff, you can hit him up, but this guy really sold me these, so thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, Matt. And I will hit you up later today about the Travises you're trying to sell me. My bad. It just, you know, I've been slow. I got a lot of stuff to do, you know, school and things like that. But let's get into reviewing this Nike Dunk Low VENEER or VENEER, however, the dogs. All right, so we right here with the nature angle here, I guess. I don't know, we just outside. We outside because it's quiet, it's peace and quiet, you know. It's not loud. Whenever I'm inside, there's always too much background noise. I have to just change up the video setting too much. I mention that frequently. But aside from that, we do have the Nike Dunk Low VENEER or VENEER, however you pronounce it, right here in my hands. I got a size 11 right here. Again, that's not my size, but I just bought this sneaker personally to invest in, so I did buy it off someone that got it for early access. As you know, Nike did drop some early access for this sneaker recently, so I just bought a size 11 to hold for like a few months because I honestly see these ones going up kind of like the Plum Dunks did, and I'll explain why. Because obviously this shoe is not the same colorway as the Plum Dunks whatsoever. It just isn't. So but one thing about it that you can tell probably right off the bat is that the material on it is the exact same as the Plum Dunk. You can see that it's that suede material, very, very nice. Like, you know, like I haven't even been touching the suede. I don't even want to put my hands on it. You know, I'm trying to keep these like pristine, you know, for whoever will want them. But as you can kind of see, you know, they're just nice. You know, you got the purple swoosh that kind of matches with the laces and also the sole of the sneaker, and you can tell again, it's all really well put together. Like I've heard some people were having flaws with like their early pairs on a lot of the early access pairs that they've been getting. Honestly, I bought this one as an early access pair, and dude, there is not like a single flaw on it. Like, you can tell the stitching is well done. There's no like marks. I mean, there's like a little, you can't even see it. Like, there's a little mark right there and you can't even tell. So I mean, this shoe is pretty much in pristine condition, and I think Nike did a really good job with actually putting it together. As you can tell, you can just see it's well done. It's well done. And honestly, the suede makes this shoe more desirable because again, it's just kind of like a higher quality dunk. And like just like dunks again are just the Trav effect, man. He really did that. Like, Trav was flexing his pair, but I'm not saying that's what made this one hype. This one was hype regardless, because, you know, I mean, he did kind of usher that in, but like, you know, dunks have then ever been like hyped ever since. I don't even think that people are associating dunks just with Travis anymore. They're just kind of like the shoe. So like yeah, you know, just kind of looking at that, and no disrespect to Trav, you know, he started the wave, but yeah, and you can't deny that. I mean, dunks have been around forever. Dunks have been around forever. I know that. Yeah, trust me. I wish people could still wear them for skating, but aside from that very important point, one thing I want to mention about the shoe, that kind of was like, what are they doing with this? But because you see, you got the green here, the brown, and like the purple. You see all the kind of all like faded out and a little more chill, like more chill. Why do you have the like neon, like super bright green inside? Like, you know what I mean? Like, that just, it didn't fit to me at first. But like at the same time, like once you just look at it more, like once you get it in hand, like this shoe in hand is the real deal. Like, I mean, this is really nice. Like, I'm a huge fan of this shoe. So I mean, it doesn't even matter once you get it in hand, because to be honest, they actually look really nice. Like, it fits in hand. Like, you can kind of tell, like, you see what I mean? Like, in pictures it just looked awkward to me, but like it's not an ugly dunk whatsoever. I thought it was ugly, but in hand they're fresh as anything. So don't let the pictures ever deceive you. Don't let the pictures ever deceive you, especially with something that you can tell is suede. If it's like a suede shoe like this, don't let them tell you. Don't let them tell you anything. You know that is a shoe to go for. Don't let them tell you anything. Do not listen to anybody. I will tell you. I will give you the honest answer, no matter what it is. So you always come to your boy. But right here, yeah, for this one, just again looking at it up close, like I really like how they did the brown and like kind of like the darker, like maybe like it's not like a forest green, but like it's clearly not a forest green. It's not that dark, but yeah, I like how they did like the brown and you know, then the green like suede here, and like how it kind of mismatches, and also how they split this part right here, and they made it white and like purple instead of it just making the whole sole like white or something. They actually changed it up and made it purple, which is kind of like something I was like, all right, that's good. And sorry I'm not doing a try on for this video. Again, as I said, I did do it yesterday for my fire reds if you want to go check that out, but I'm not doing a try on one for this video because again, this is an investment. This is one that your boy's going to be holding and just, you know, seeing what will happen. But again, there is no reason why this isn't a good investment. Just go get those sizes that you need, and I got 11, so just kind of in that size 8 to 12 range that I think will be the kind of the best for these. But like again, I don't think these will take long at all to even go up. I mean, let's keep it real. I think these will probably go up in like, I mean, probably like 3-6 months. It won't even take that long, you know, just about the same time that the plums took to go up. And again, these aren't the plum colorway, but they actually have been said to be inspired by the plum. And, you know, they kind of brought in another one. They were like similar to the plum. So once they said that, I was like, all right, well, then there's no reason why this one would not be a cop instantly. I mean, it already, like, you know, it doesn't take an expert to know this is a cop. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's a dunk. It's a dunk. You know, like, everybody's going to be copping dunks now to resell these. And I already gave a resale prediction, like, kind of off the bat. Like I said, when these would drop, I said like resale, and I'm not gonna like pop up anything on the screen for this when I say this, but I was like resale, I was like, you know, probably be like 275, 325, right around that range. So I see these probably falling in that range right around once all the pairs drop on sneakers. I think it's like November 11th is when they're all dropping. It's either November 11th or November 10th, but you can go watch my how to cop on them because I discuss how to get them. But there's been multiple raffles for them coming out too, like recently, so you can go enter in those. But yeah, these are definitely going to be ones I'm going for, so I need to go get and enter in some of those raffles. But yeah, the Nike Dunk Low VENEER, super nice in hand. Like I'm so serious when I say this is like one of the nicest in hand. Like this is really well done. And the suede, like again, I didn't have any defects. I know a lot of people were saying they had defects with early pairs of fire reds and these, but bro, like what defects are we talking about? Like people were saying I had defects in my fire reds, but bro, what do you like? Okay, point out the defects on this shoe. Where? Like where? Do you see? No. Like, no, come on guys, stop. I love you all, but stop capping in the comments on me, you know what I mean? But this one right here, again, definitely buy it when it drops. Just go watch my how-to cop, stay tuned for it. And I would try it on if I can, but again, another thing, these aren't my size. This is your boy's size, you know? And yeah, I guess the more details of it. I mean, most dunks, you know, again, dunks are comfy, they're nice, you know, just kind of like that low top, you know what I mean? It's just like that, you know? That's just how it is. And you know, again, you can kind of like, I really want to point out this one more detail too before I just say anything else. I guess close it out, but you can kind of tell on the tongue. Again, you kind of see how they stitch it differently on both of them. You know, they did that. And yeah, you also got the different color on the tongue too. Like the green is a different color, or this green is somewhat similar right here to the green suede on the shoe. And yeah, you know, just kind of giving it all the details of it. You can kind of see how well they stitched together the Nike swoosh. I mean, you can peep that. You can see it. Look what they did. I mean, Nike did their thing. So yeah, shout out Nike. And yeah, shout out Matt for selling me the early pair, man. I needed these. And yeah, I got my pair right here. And boom, just gonna be investing them for a few months. Definitely gonna make some money on these. And you know, just keep investing in shoes before Christmas because it's free money, basically. So that's all I gotta say. Go watch my videos if you need to learn how. And yeah, Nike Dunk Low VENEER early review 2020. Outro time. Anyways, so I hope you guys did enjoy the video, man. Hopefully the lighting was good and straight, so you can hopefully see my face during the video. You got a good view of the shoe. Very nice dunk in person. Like the pictures, I was like kind of like, dang, these are low-key ugly. I was like, I was a little disappointed, but once I got them in hand, I was like, these are not ugly at all. These are fresh as anything. So don't let them deceive you. And yeah, if you want more early reviews, just how to cop videos, sneaker investment videos, I got you all. Supreme Weeks even, I discussed that. So just subscribe and like down below. Let's try and hit like 200 likes on this video. Again, that just would kind of let me know if you want more content like this. Like just again, dropping the likes, not just because like, you know, I'm saying I want likes. You know, they're just numbers, but like, because you know, I've been posting in all time, like in all times of when my channel been doing good. But you know, just dropping the like lets me know. You know, just if you want more content like this. Like, just let me know if you like the video. Literally, that's what it's called, a like. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Go join the Discord down below, and go check out my Instagrams also there too. There's just all in the description, like all that stuff. It's right there. So if you want to go follow me, go follow me. And yeah, you know, it's road to 7K, road to 40K. We working hard, and I'm gonna keep posting great videos for you guys. So thank you all for the love. I'm gonna show it back, pay it forward, and we out. Peace.